Lesson 4A, Tokenomics Research. Doing your own research is a crucial part of deciding whether you want to invest in anything, whether that's a crypto token, a stock, any type of thing you want to invest in. It's very important that you do your own research first. In the crypto space, we want to do research. In the crypto space, we want to do our tokenomics research. And that is what we just went over in the previous lesson. It's about looking at the token structure, the team, the total supply and max supply and circulating supply and all that good stuff. So we're going to jump right into it here. And we're going to start on our web browser. We're going to go to the browser at the top. The website we're going to go to is called CoinMarketCap.com. So that's CoinMarketCap.com. Now, while we're on CoinMarketCap.com, we can see there's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things going on. If you scroll down, you're going to see the list of cryptocurrencies that they are listed. There are thousands of tokens on this website. As you can see, Bitcoin here is up top. So when you're looking at a token to do your tokenomics research on, you would scroll down, go to the token, whatever that may be. We will visit our friend here, Chainlink. So let's take a look at Chainlink here. Now when you go to the tokens page, up here you're going to see the current price. You're going to see the rank. Now that rank is the total market cap of the coin. As you can see here, there's some information. Market cap, $14,162,000,000 for Chainlink. And here you've got your circulating supply, your max supply, and total supply as well. We've got some information here that we'll look at later. This is an ERC20 token, so you've got your Ethereum contract address here. Looking down here, we can see the chart. Price action over the last day, 7 days, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and the total price action of the token. As you can see, Chainlink is a pretty experienced project, and it's had a lot of good price action over the years. You can look at the conversion here. One Chainlink, $31.37. You can say change that to 15 Chainlink. You can get your conversions there as well. So one of the more important things, and this is really when you want to start your tokenomics research, you want to go down here to the description on CoinMarketCap. Now sometimes these descriptions can be a little light. I'm not exactly sure how they get these descriptions on here. Are they generated by CoinMarketCap, or does the project itself put it on here? I'm not exactly sure, but you can see a lot of good information here. Quick synopsis, who are the founders? You can actually look at that here as well. So some great things here. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see more information. This is a great place to start. CoinMarketCap gives you the initial high-level synopsis of what this token does and what it's about, and you can learn a lot of information right here on CoinMarketCap. If you continue to go down, you can check out the markets. Now these markets are where this token is being traded. As you can see, it's held on a lot of popular exchanges: Binance, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi, FTX. So I click to see all. You can go down here, Binance US, KuCoin, Kraken. So exchanges that we've went over, and you can see all the markets here down at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to overview, even though we're heading up here at the top. We're going to start by going to website, and we're going to click on the Chainlink website. Pretty much every project will have their website linked to CoinMarketCap. So we're here on chain.link. This is Chainlink's official website. And the first thing that I like to look at, I like to go and look at the team. So a lot of times I'll look past all this stuff and I'll go right to the team. Now I don't see anything up top, so what I'm going to go to is check the footer down at the bottom if we can see anything with the team. And here we go, we see the Chainlink team. Now it says a global team of smart contracts experts. Sounds good, but you do want to take a look at who's actually working on this project and what their credentials are. Now you can see the advisors down here, but I'm going to go ahead and assume that all of these, so it says we are a community of global developers, academics, and enterprise experts with a deep experience in cryptography, decentralized systems, and smart contracts. So we'll take that as this entire team looks good. But the main thing you want to do is you want to look at these advisors, the team. A lot of times they'll have their LinkedIn linked, maybe their Twitter. A good place to go would be to LinkedIn and actually check these guys out and see if they are the real deal. Check out their credentials and things like that. So we'll head back to the main page. And again, all you're doing is looking at the company site and seeing what they're doing. Right? What are their goals? What does this project seek to establish? What do they seek to do? You can tell a lot about a website, but don't get too caught up in how the website looks. You really have to look at the overall picture and see exactly what the goal is of this project. Chainlink, of course, is an Oracle network, and it seeks to supply blockchains with off-chain data. So blockchains don't natively have real-time off-chain data. Chainlink seeks to connect blockchains with real-time off-chain data, hence the name Chainlink. So this is a great project, and any project that you want to look at, you're going to have to check them out. Head to CoinMarketCap, head to their website. You look at what this project seeks to solve, who's working on it, who are the advisors. And last but not least, what you're going to look at is you're going to go to the white page. Now, a lot of times these websites will have the white page somewhere on here. Now, just looking at it, or the white paper, just looking at it, I don't see anything on the white paper right off the bat. So I'll go down and I'll look at the footer. Now let's see if we can find the white paper in the footer. As we can see, it is down here. I think the main part of this Chainlink site is looking for people to use it in their own blockchain or business or something like that. So what you'd want to do, you download the white paper. Sometimes these white papers can be opened in a browser, and you'll just read that, see if you like it. The more white papers you read, the more you're going to be able to understand it. But this is a good portion of what you're going to do as far as tokenomics research, doing your own research for investing in crypto tokens. You can take a look at YouTube, see what's going on there. I think a good way to gauge a project as well is you're going to look at their Medium blog, their Twitter, obviously YouTube, and Telegram and Discord as well. Those are two great platforms where projects will host what they're doing, have the community weigh in on what they're doing, and give out updates. So just by looking at a project's Discord or Telegram, that can give you a good indication of what people are feeling like, what the community is like. Because at the end of the day, the two factors that are going to drive up the price of a crypto token is going to be the technology, what it seeks to do, as well as the community, who is buying it, who is supporting this token. So those are going to be the two factors. At the end of the day, you're buying an asset, the last price it was sold at is actually the current market price. So the more people that are buying in, that's what's going to drive up the price. And a lot of people are going to come for the tech. If this coin is being used in conjunction with other projects, or it's brand new tech, something revolutionary, the token has a great opportunity to go up in price. And that's really what you're going to have to look at is the tech. What is it about? and who is in on this project. And you'll find that out through YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, Discord. Those are great things to check out. So we'll go to the Chainlink Twitter. And what we'll see, you want to look for a good Twitter page. Now, obviously, these followers, they can be gamed, they could be fake followers. But you want to see great marketing from a project, and that's something that some crypto projects struggle with. They struggle with marketing, they struggle with the visuals. So you want to see some good work there. And Chainlink has come a long way. It's one of the older tokens. It's come a long way. You see some great marketing. You see the comments, the likes. So checking out the Twitter can also be able to tell you if, you can see it's joined 2013. Checking out the Twitter can tell you if a project is legit as well. And this is one of the more important pieces to check out is Twitter. I like to use YouTube a lot, see how people are feeling. And I'll also join the community, which is the Discord or the Telegram as well. So we'll take a look at another token and we'll show you a little bit about how to do research on a fully brand new project. So let's go ahead and look up a project and I want to check out. It's called Dawn Protocol. So let's head over to Dawn Protocol. Obviously, I just searched it up. We're on the Dawn page now. Now, not as high as Chainlink. I believe Chainlink was in the top 20 market cap. Dawn Protocol is 262 in total market cap of all cryptocurrency tokens. We see the total, or the current price. We see the supply, circulating supply. $67 million is the circulating supply. Max supply, 93 million. Total supply, 76 million. So we're looking at the market cap. Obviously, I like to check the rank instead of the actual market cap, because if you look at the rank, you can get a decent idea of where the market cap is at and how far it could grow, right? If you're number 262, you might have a little bit of room to grow. But what I'll look for the market cap actual number is I'll look at that to compare other tokens. So if there's something out there that's better than Dawn Protocol but similar to Dawn Protocol, I'll look at its actual market cap and compare it to Dawn Protocol's market cap, and I'll see if this project is half of that other project or it eclipses that other project. Well, we can expect its market cap to go to here. And if you look at that market cap, let's say it's 5 times more, you can then multiply this price by 5, generally, not 100%, but you can multiply this price by about 5 and you'll see, okay, if we can expect a 5 times jump for this project, it would be at about $15, $16 or something like that. So that's something you can look at as well. Same stuff here. You've got the chart. You've got the information down here. What does Dawn do? Now, as you can see on this project, it's not as big as Chainlink, so you don't see any extra info, no developers, nothing here on CoinMarketCap. What you'd have to do is you'd have to actually go to the Dawn Protocol website. So let's check out dawn.org. Now, right off the bat, we can see that Dawn is really going to be marketing things in an easy way. And one thing I'm weary of when I head to these cryptocurrency websites is how much of the cookie cutter website are they doing? All right, you can see great graphics. You can see that the website looks good. But like I said before, beware of a website that just looks good. Now, you'll see some bad websites, and I've checked out a ton of cryptocurrency sites. You will see some bad ones, but you're going to see a lot of good ones, because at the end of the day, these are tech companies. Obviously, their websites are going to be pretty good. So don't just look at the website. You see the nice graphics here. That's not going to automatically mean that it's a great project. Now, I'm weary about when I see token info at the top. I'm a little bit weary about something like that. because that means they're really promoting their token, when I honestly think cryptocurrency projects at this stage should be promoting their technology. So when you see token info up top in plain sight, really in the middle of the screen, they know that's what people are interested in. So I would be a little bit weary about that. But we also see some other things, right? Like you can buy the token. I'm a little bit weary about websites like that. But we'll go back home. And obviously, we're checking out what the tech is. What does this project do? This is a gaming type platform, so you can play games with this app or blockchain. And you can see the partners. A lot of projects will have partners on there. Be a little weary of those as well. They might not always be great partners. But at the bottom, we can see the team. So let's take a look at the team. Decent pictures. And as you can see, they have their LinkedIn and Twitter here. So that's a pretty good sign. I like to see LinkedIn more than Twitter. So if you see a team with just Twitter, I would be a little weary. Again, this project doesn't seem to have any advisors here. And so there's a reason why this token is a 262 market cap. And we can see here, obviously, no advisors. The actual CEO has a little bit of a low quality picture. Everyone else seems to have a better quality picture. So it's just things to look at. Again, you can check out their LinkedIns, check out their credentials. What have they worked on before? I don't necessarily see a white paper here. I just went to About. Again, it's showing us the games here. So again, there's a reason why this project is 262 in market cap. Again, it's promoting their token right off the bat. That's something that I don't genuinely enjoy all the time. So again, what you see is what you see. If you see a great looking website, it doesn't always mean that that's the best thing. You can check out their Twitter. And as you can see, 5,800 followers, joined in 2019, so it's got a little bit of age on it. Let's check the comments. Not a huge amount of engagement. So as you can see, this right off the bat, again, we're seeing why Dawn Protocol is 262. This isn't something that I would necessarily want to invest in, but this is the bulk of what you're going to do. I would take to YouTube, see what other people are feeling, would try to find their Telegram, their Discord, maybe ask some questions in there about how people are feeling about the token and things like that. But again, just looking at something like Dawn Protocol, the website is not great. There are some red flags for me. Again, promoting the token on the website is a red flag for me. No advisors, and just you can look at the things that the website is promoting and you can get an idea of where it's heading. So a lot of times you'll see the NFTs. If you go on an NFT project, those things will be promoted right away. And you can just tell that they're trying to sell those NFTs to make money. And that's probably not the best idea as to where you want to go as far as investing in a token to invest in a project. Because at the end of the day, in most cases, you want to invest in a blockchain project. You're probably going to be investing in the token unless you have some insider private investor information. And this is the way we got to do it right now. So just looking at Dawn Protocol, I think this is a good indication of what we shouldn't do when doing our tokenomics research.